Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to access UDesk and how that can be helpful for accessing some of the things such as maybe GMetrix software or working on things that require you to use a Windows computer. So open a browser window. I'll open a new browser window. I prefer Chrome as my browser. To type udesk.appstate.edu and hit enter. So as you can see, UDesk is a virtual desktop with Windows operating system. You need to go ahead and log into it. And as a student, the option that will be available to you is log into the computer lab, which gives you all the software that are in our computer labs. You will have to enter your ID and password. Go ahead, log on. If you are doing it, you may have to even do a push to indicate that this is okay. Once you are in that environment, you can do a lot of things. One thing that I use it frequently for is GMetrix software. So the link to the software is right here. Double click, this window opens up. Then you need to enter your username and password. And go ahead and log on. Now, the first time you are here, you would be asked to redeem a code. You can click on redeem. Your instructor would have given you a code and you can use that code here. Type it and redeem. I've already redeemed my code. So once you do that, some tests will become available to you. So let's say I go to a new test, Office 2019. And then you will see the material that has been assigned to you for your MOS exam. You click on one of them, and then depending on which one you are supposed to take, for example, like the skills review, you can take it in testing mode or the training mode. Same thing with skill review 2, training or testing. So if you want to learn the material, go to training mode. If you want to be graded for it for the classwork, then go to the testing mode. And then others, don't worry about them right now. You will get to see them when it is assigned to you. So let's go ahead in one of the skills review in a training mode. Now you will see using UDesk is more reliable because all of your assignments will load properly. If you do it on your own computers, sometimes you may see trouble because of the computer you are on or your internet connection is not stable or other issues. So doing this GMetrix on UDesk is highly recommended. It especially helps the Mac users. So they are not doing these things on a Mac computer, but instead they are using a virtual machine for Windows. And then just like Cengage, you will see the tasks are appearing here and you can see multiple options of going to the next one like this. But if you're in training mode, it will tell you whether you did it correctly or incorrectly. So since I just moved past it, it shows incorrect. I can do a try again. Alternatively, if I don't understand how to do a task, then I can do show help. It will list the steps of how you could have done it. So read the steps, do it before moving on to the next steps. And if you don't want to go through all the questions, maybe you have done the training a couple times, you are looking to go to a specific one, then maybe you can skip grading this question and go to the next one. Here are some other menus. Let's say you want to save and exit the test, or if you want to see the summary, you can. It will tell you what are the things are covered. So that's it. When you are done, you can finish test like this, or it will show you what all activities you have completed. So right now I haven't done anything, just this is a dry run, so I'm going to say no and go ahead and complete it. That's all.